So, you're thinking about taking a trip to Africa, or maybe you've got a thing for sea creatures and want to swim with sharks or dolphins, or maybe you just like snakes and want to see some up close. Regardless of what brought you here today, we've got just the thing, a list of the 5 most poisonous animals on Earth. So, let's get started. Number 5. The poison dart frog. The poison dart frog is a brightly colored, dart-shaped amphibian native to Central and South America. The golden tree frog is endemic to the mountains of Costa Rica and Panama and was first described in 1945. These frogs are highly toxic to humans and other vertebrates, with the most toxic species being the golden tree frog, also known as the Phyllobates terribilis. Their poison is called batrachotoxin, and it comes from a certain kind of beetle that they eat as larvae. So, if you get stung by one of these guys, you'll have to go to a hospital immediately because it can cause paralysis, respiratory failure, and even death. These tiny little guys have enough poison in their skin to kill 10 humans or 20,000 mice and are even used by native tribes as arrow tips for their blow darts. Golden tree frogs all consume a wide variety of insects such as beetles, ants, wasps, grasshoppers, and termites. Number 4. The pufferfish. The pufferfish is a poisonous fish that can be found in tropical and subtropical ocean waters. It can be found in the Pacific and Indian Oceans, as well as in the Caribbean Sea. It is also known as the blowfish, the balloonfish, and the globefish. These fish are usually pretty small like their name suggests, but their venomous spines can be fatal if you step on them or eat them. It has enough poison in its spines to kill 30 people, so if you ever find yourself swimming with one of these guys, be sure not to touch them. It contains tetrodotoxin, which is 1,000 times stronger than cyanide and can kill an elephant within 3 minutes if consumed. It has a nerve-blocking effect that can cause paralysis and death within minutes of ingestion. Pufferfish are omnivores, and they feed primarily on crustaceans, mollusks, and other fish, by swallowing them whole. To achieve successful capture of its prey, the pufferfish's stomach produces the neurotoxin that paralyzes its prey so that it cannot escape from its mouth before being eaten. Interesting fact, the same neurotoxin is found in the Atlantic blue crab. That is why if you plan to eat an Atlantic blue crab, then you should rinse the meat with vinegar, because this will reduce the amount of neurotoxin. Number 3. The box jellyfish. The box jellyfish has one of the most potent venoms, and they are usually found in warm coastal waters around the world. The lethal species are found primarily in the Indo-Pacific region and northern Australia. The infamous sea jelly is large and transparent, with a box-shaped bell and up to 60 tentacles in 4 clumps along the base of the bell. The box jellyfish has 24 eyes, but it does not have a brain or central nervous system. Its nervous system is located in its long, thin tentacles. The box jellyfish is one of the most venomous animals in the world, and their venom is among the deadliest in the world, containing toxins that attack the heart, nervous system, and skin cells. It can kill an adult human within just 2 minutes and can cause cardiac arrest or respiratory failure. The box jellyfish has pores on its surface called nematocysts. Each tentacle contains about 5,000 stinging nematocysts, which act like little stinging darts that fire whenever the tentacle comes in contact with chemicals on the surface of its prey. These nematocysts are what make it so poisonous to humans and other animals. The box jellyfish also has a mouth at one end which it uses to catch small prey, like shrimp and plankton, but it cannot eat larger prey like small fish because its mouth is too small for this kind of food. Number 2. The blue-ringed octopus. The blue-ringed octopus is a small octopus that lives in the waters around Australia and other parts of the Indo-Pacific region. Although numerous other sea creatures are venomous, the blue-ringed octopus is in a league of its own. Its venom is 1,000 times more powerful than cyanide, and this golf ball-sized powerhouse packs enough venom to kill 26 humans within minutes. In some parts of the world, the blue-ringed octopus is also known as the devil octopus, a name that probably comes from its ability to kill and eat other octopuses. As with the pufferfish, the blue-ringed octopuses produce a potent neurotoxin called tetrodotoxin. The venom is produced by symbiotic bacteria in the animal's salivary glands, and is more toxic than that of any land mammal. It's primarily used when hunting. The octopus captures crabs, shrimp, and small fish by pecking through its prey's exoskeleton with its beak and inserting the venom. Then it will use its beak to pick off meat while its prey remains helplessly paralyzed. The blue-ringed octopus is about 3 centimeters or 1 inch in diameter and has an average of 150 suckers around its body. Its small size allows it to hide well in crevices, logs, or coral rubble. Blue-ringed octopuses are capable of changing their skin color to match their surroundings and camouflage themselves effectively. Number 1. The Deathstalker scorpion. The Deathstalker scorpion is a large and dangerous scorpion that is found in the deserts of the Middle East. The Deathstalker scorpion is an arachnid that belongs to the Buthidae family, which is also known as the true or Old World scorpions. The word Deathstalker was given to this type of scorpion because it has been known for being aggressive and dangerous, especially when it feels threatened. As suggested by its menacing name, the Deathstalker scorpion possesses a powerful venom containing both cardiotoxins and neurotoxins. The venom of these scorpions contains a very small protein chain called chlorotoxin, only 36 amino acids long. This tiny protein has a very powerful effect though. It is perfectly shaped to block chloride channels and stop chloride ions from entering muscle cells. Without these ions sending signals telling your cells to relax, the muscles in your body all flex at once, and paralysis sets in. This can lead to hemorrhages, necrosis, and ulceration. However, while a sting from this scorpion is extraordinarily painful, it normally would not kill a healthy adult human. Symptoms range from mild, on the order of a wasp sting, to quite severe, with swelling and discoloration that can last up to 48 hours. Even more impressive than its paralyzing abilities is the extraordinary price of its venom, which comes to $30 million per gallon. Deathstalker scorpions have 2 large eyes on their head and 4 small eyes set in 2 clusters on their pincers. They use these as well as their antennae to detect prey. They catch their food by taking their prey by surprise. They hide under rocks and wait for an unsuspecting cricket or other small insects, then spring out and grab it. The average lifespan of a Deathstalker scorpion in nature is about 2 to 3 years. However, this can increase to 10 years when kept in captivity. As a result, because they are relatively easy to keep in captivity, the Deathstalker scorpions are popular with hobbyists. I am very curious to hear you guys' opinions, thoughts, or suggestions for future videos in the comments. This is my first video on this channel, so dishing out a quick sub would mean the world to me, and I hope that you have a phenomenal rest of your day.